Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a People Playground mod. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is Visual Studio Code, which I will be leaving a link in the description. To download it, click this, or whatever you need it on, and then save it, set it up. Okay, so once you get Visual Studio Code, you are going to need to get to Steam, go to People Playground, right click it, go to Manage, and browse local files. And you'll be right here. Alright, so once you're here, you're going to need to go to Mods, right click, go to New, and then create a new folder, and then name it whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to name it Tutorial Mod because tutorial mod, but you can name it whatever you want. Alright, open it. Okay, now you're going to need to make a new text document and name it mod. Then you're gonna need to change the file type. In order to do that, you're gonna have to go to View up here and go to File Name Extensions, click it, put it on, and then rename it, and now you should have this. Go delete TXT and then add JSON. Alright, so now that you have that, you're going to need to make another one and name it Script, but also change it from TXT to CS. Okay, so now you're going to need to go to Mod.json, open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now once they're in here, you're going to need to go to Mod.json generator, which I will be also leaving a link, and then change it to whatever you want. So this is the name of your mod, so I'm just going to name it Tutorial. And this is the author, so I'm going to name it Know the Numbers. And this will be the description. You can delete it and make your own description. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to need to copy all this. Wait, just select all of it, press Ctrl+C, and then go to your mod.json, and then paste it by doing Ctrl+V. And here you go. Now, you can just save it with Ctrl+S, and then you can go down here and go to Script.cs, open with Visual Studio Code. Alright, so in this, you're going to need to go to the modding assets, which I will be also linking in the description. Copy it and paste it into here. Save it with Ctrl+S. Go to your mod and make your own thumbnail, which I'll be using Paint 3D because it's built in and it works. So you're gonna need to put it to 16 by 16. No, by 16. Press transparent change so it's on, and just make your thumbnail. To make it pixel perfect, you're gonna need to go to Pixel Pen. Put this all the way down to 1 pixel, and here you go. I will advise you not to use the fill tool, because if you do, then it will mess up your entire thumbnail. Editor's note, I forgot to add that you have to size it to 256. And in order to do that, you need to go to Canvas, lock aspect ratio, and resize image with Canvas, and then make this from 16 to 256. And there you go. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to need to press Ctrl S. Go to local disk, program files x86. Look for Steam, Steam apps, common, People Playground, mods, your mod, and then name it thumb.png and save it. That's it for today's tutorial. Next tutorial I will be a bit more in depth. Goodbye.